everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'll be showing you how to log into BlueHost.com in today's tutorial episode. BlueHost is a web hosting company owned by Endurance International Group. It is one of the 20 largest web hosts, collectively hosting well over 2 million domains. To log into BlueHost, go to your web browser, any web browser will do, and type in www.bluehost.com and hit the enter on your keyboard. The official website of BlueHost looks like this. To log in, click on the login link provided at the upper right. For hosting login, log into your account by entering email or your domain name. On the next field, enter the password for your account. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, start by clicking on Create Account and register yourself to a new account. You can even log in to bluehost.com with your Google account. For Webmail Login, click on Webmail Login from the option and enter your email and then enter the password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password and click on the login button. That is how you can log into BlueHost.com with hosting login and webmail login options. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.